To do this trend, open any editing application. I'm using CapCut. Now go to New Project and add your one photo and an old video of yourself. Now select Format 9:16. Adjust photo and video to full screen. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now apply the photo till the length of audio and keep the video duration according to you. Now after this, add text. Choose font and style, and then place the text. Now apply text layer till the end of the photo. Now write the second text and place, and then apply the text layer till the end of your video. Delete the end part. Now check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.